hit the field like, and we hit the field like, and we hit the field like, all day like, all night like, all big like, defense like, and it sounds like, and it sounds like, and it sounds like.
Okay. Hi, I'm Deanna. I'm Aaliyah.
I'm Molly.
I'm Hallie.
I'm Natalie.
I'm Monica.
Welcome to Mullen. Today we're going to show you what it means to be a Lasallian Mustang.
Let's go.
I love Mullen because it fosters a community of learning, and there's numerous courses offered that will challenge you and prepare you for the future.
And those rigorous classes not only better prepare you within the classroom, but they also prepare you for your life outside of the classroom.
And here at Mullen, everywhere you look, there's always someone willing to help you with your schoolwork, whether that be in school, in the lunchroom, or outside of school.
Teachers are great role models in the Mullen community. One of the role models that I had during this year was my math teacher. She's a great role model because she always put the needs of her students before her own and always make sure we understood the material before we took a test or a quiz and just wanted us to succeed.
Okay, coaches are also great role models within the Mullen community. They always inspire me and promote being the best version of myself every single day. My tennis coach was a great example of an incredible role model, and also my POMS coach.
Our school counselors are also great role models within the Mullen community because whenever you need something, you can always go to them, and you can tell that they actually care about you. They want to make sure that you're a well-rounded student, you're not pushing yourself too hard in the classroom, so you're taking care of your mental state, and they're always there for you.
Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm part of the football team at Mullen. One thing the extracurriculars have really helped me with is developing close friendships and increasing my school spirit.
Come on, let's go. Here at Mullen, we uphold a tradition of being Lasallian. The words, "Live Jesus in our hearts forever," is something that we stand strong in. St. John Baptist de La Salle led a life of courage, bravery, and kindness. We follow in his footsteps every day, or at least try to.
Being Lasallian means we're a family. We always know that we'll never be alone. Either you're a freshman or a senior, you're all one big family, and you'll always be loved.
We love being Lasallian. The first thing you hear about when someone talks about Mullen is the community. I spend most of my time here. My friends are here, my family is here. Where else would I want to be?
Mullen is one big family, and it's just a home for everyone, and the community is just so inclusive, loving, and welcoming.
I transferred to Mullen after my freshman year, and the community was so welcoming, and I found my home at Mullen through sports and clubs and activities.
One of the aspects that makes Mullen so great is service. I remember walking in as a freshman and thinking, what makes Mullen different? Well, the answer to that is service. Why? Service has taken a big part of my life because through service at Mullen, I found a big passion for it. I volunteer at different organizations, and also I'm a leader for my parish's youth group program. Without Mullen, I wouldn't have found my passion for service. So I thank Mullen for always incorporating service in every aspect of our school life.
I just think service is such an important aspect that Mullen incorporates, and they even incorporate it in sports, which is, I think, really cool. Like for POMS, I'm on the POMS team, and we do a lot of service there, like teaching youth camps for the kids and going and volunteering at homeless shelters, and I just think it's really important.
Hi, right now we're heading to Sawyer's garden. Sawyer Joseph Elijah Dow was a senior in the year 2018. He passed away, and we built a garden in his honor. He was very outdoorsy, and we love his garden. We plant flowers, and his favorite thing, ghost peppers. Come on, let's go.
Hey guys, so one of the big and important aspects on my life and on the Mullen community is faith in the presence of God. What does that mean? As a school, we always start and begin with prayer, and that's so important because if we start with prayer, we're offering our day to God, and that means that our thoughts, our actions, and our words are all going to be in His Word. They're going to be kind words, generous words, and we're going to live His message throughout the day. If we didn't start with prayer, it means that we wouldn't start with God in our hearts. And ending with prayer is super important too, because we're saying goodbye till the next day. Not goodbye forever, but saying just goodbye. Thank you for leading me throughout this day.
Let us remember.
We are the holy presence of God.
Dear Lord, thanks for bringing us here today. We ask that you help us play hard and play as a team because we have a chance to beat this team. And we ask that you help us play for each other and believe in ourselves. And let's help us get this W. St. John Baptist de La Salle, pray for us with Jesus in our hearts. Forever.
Leave it at that.
Okay.
I love Mullen. Woo!